So in this video, I am going to show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser on Windows 11. This will ensure that all your links, PDFs and web-based files open directly in Chrome, giving you a seamless browsing experience. So let's start the video. First, click on the search icon in your taskbar and either select settings from the list or search for settings directly. Once in the settings menu, click on apps from the left hand side. Next, select default apps from the list. In the set defaults for applications section, type Chrome in the search bar and click on Chrome when it appears. Now you can set Chrome as the default for any file types you want. For example, if you want to open PDFs in Google Chrome, click on the PDF option and then select Switch Anyway to change it to Google Chrome. Now click OK to confirm. Repeat this process for any other file types you want to open with Google Chrome. So that's how to make Google Chrome your default browser on Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.